Hello, and welcome to day 11 of coding every day until I get a job. So, today, as it's Halloween, I thought we would do something a bit different. So, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me like a Halloween themed, here we go, ChatGPT. So, Halloween themed project, or like several projects, so we can choose from. So, okay, today is Halloween. Please give me some Halloween projects to make. Halloween themed rather. Style themed projects to make. Okay, let's see what types it gives us. Okay, speak Halloween, ghost detector app. A fun app with randomly placed ghosts that disappear when you click on them. Add sound effects for each ghost call to make it more interactive. Okay, trick or treat. Potion recipe build generator that combines ingredients to form spooky potions. Use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a fun, clickable potion maker. Wow, these are a lot of. Okay, let's read them from the start. Build a soundboard with eerie sounds and jump scares. Use JavaScript, HTML to add buttons that trigger sound files for spooky effects. Haunted quiz app. Make a quiz app with Halloween themed questions. Style the app with spooky colors, fonts, and animations. Pumpkin carving. Create a drawing app where users carve virtual pumpkin. Use HTML5 canvas or simple Python GUI. Ghost detector. So, okay, that's what we just read. Trick or treat, where users go door to door on a grid and receive random treats or tricks. Add a point system with fun pop-ups for each interaction. Okay, I suppose we could maybe do a bit of trick or treating because that's very. I'm just going to make it textual based though. Then we could maybe ask ChatGPT to, once I've written the code, to maybe create like tk-enter version of it in Python. So yeah, let's get coding. So I'm going to pull up Godbolt here and do it there. Actually, what we could do, yeah, I'll just use Godbolt for now. Oh, fine. I'll just create another PyCharm project whilst we're waiting. I did a bit of trick or treating, got a few sweets, and yeah, just over there. But yeah, let's make the tk-enter. Sorry, that's what ChatGPT will do. But let's make our trick or treating application. We can maybe add some pixel art or no, sorry, ASCII art. But yeah. We also need some sprites for it. If ChatGPT does make a tk-enter application. Okay, I think that one's just a quiz app. Oh, and that's not responding now either. Okay. Compiler Explorer, Godbolt. Is OBS still running? Hopefully. I think it is. Yeah. Come on, Godbolt, just load. I know I have a fair few tabs, but I don't think it's that memory intensive. Otherwise, I could just go to Notepad, start writing it there. What else? Maybe it's because I've got quite a few of these. Okay, I closed down battleships. So that was one I made in the last video of coding every day. So I get a job. So I made that on the plane. Oh, are we doing it? Oh, it's kind of. So okay, whilst we're waiting, I think we can just talk through the logic. So we can maybe have a random. Create a list of random, like maybe create an object. So we have a door or house, and then candy, and then we can maybe add like something like spooky skeletons and stuff that takes sweets from you. Just a really simple one. It might be quite fun to do for Halloween. Because let's just go back to ChatGPT and see some of the other options that are available. So Magic 8-Ball with Halloween predictions. App responds with spooky answers and add fun animations. Zombie survival game, zombie shooter, JavaScript or Python. They have to click or tap to eliminate them before being overrun. Virtual haunted house door that users can explore. For each room, add images, sound effects. Potion recipe generator. Okay. Candy counter, track the candies you collect throughout Halloween night or after party. Oh, uses database. So with our backend development, local storage to keep track of different types and amounts of candy. Spooky text generator. Create a text generator that transforms text into creepy Halloween themed font styles. Add ASCII art for cool effect in CLI or browser. Halloween to-do list, themed around to-do, Halloween preparations like costume planning, okay. Jack-o'-lantern builds an animated pumpkin face that changes based on user input, for example, clicking on eyes, change the shape or color. Maze game, create a maze game where the player has to navigate a spooky environment to escape. Add some monster obstacles and theme sound effects. Trick-or-treat story generator. Use random text generation or simple story templates to create a Halloween story generator. Users then input a few keywords and generates a spooky story based on them. Okay, yeah, I think I'll stick with my original one. So the trick-or-treating one, I think number 5 it was. Has PyCharm loaded yet? I don't think it has. Maybe we'd just make it a notepad then. Back to basics. Oh, and finally it loads. As soon as we go to enter. Okay, so this is the outer leak code stuff. So let's go on to it. So I'm pretty sure you can do. Oh no, that's with quotation marks. So we just have the trick or treat. So we can have an array of that equals, and we can maybe create a house object. So class house def. Let's go init. I'm pretty sure that's the def, isn't it? Let's go init. Do we pass in self?